Good morning, students. Welcome all of you to today's class. Today also we discuss some of the accounting treatments related to the preparation of accounts at the time of dissolution of a partnership firm. So we already studied the journal entries. I hope you understood that all things, whatever we discussed. Okay. So today also we'll add some other details also into that, and so that you will understand it properly. Okay. So we'll move to the topic. So today first we discuss payment of partners loan. Okay. So already I told you, here in dissolution of a firm we have to prepare mainly four accounts. How many accounts we have to prepare? Four accounts we have to prepare. Okay. First one is realization account. Second one is partners loan account. Third one partners capital account. Fourth one bank account. Okay. So partners loan account, partners are the owners. They are the people who have to take all the risk in the business. So whenever we close down a business, first what we have to do, we have to pay all the payment towards outsiders. Okay. Suppose I am closing my business, I have 10,000 rupee in my hand after selling all the assets. Okay. And I have 5,000 rupee liabilities. Then what I will do, from this 10,000, first liability, maybe it is a long loan from bank, outside bank. Then I borrowed from someone, that is creditors. So first what to do? First I have to pay to all these people. So altogether it is 5,000, for example. So 5,000 paid. Then remaining how much is there? 5,000. So that 5,000 only I can adjust for my capital accounts. Okay, whatever I can take, that I have to decide according to the remaining amount available in the business. So how many partners are there? So they will take it proportionately if it is not available to settle all their accounts. Okay. So this one we discussed when we discussed about the journal entries. So first what we have to pay? Outsiders liabilities. Then partners loan will be paid. So partners loan, when we pay, we will not transfer it to realization account. Where we transfer, this partners loan will be paid separately. Okay. So but some 2-3 cases may come in this partners loan, that we discuss. Okay. So partners loan is to be paid after payment of outside liabilities, but before payment of capital of the partners. So when we have to pay partners loan? After payment of partners liability, outside liability, not partners, outside liability first we have to pay, but before the payment of capital. So capital they will get after paying what? Partners loan. Suppose A, B, C are there. Okay. Outside liabilities paid. Now this A has given 50,000 loan to the firm. Okay. Then after payment of outside liability, who will get the first 50,000 to be paid to A first? Then remaining amount only will use for settling the capital accounts of the partners. Okay. Now however, if the capital account of the partner for whom the loan has been taken by the firm shows a debit balance, after all adjustment his loan account will be transferred to the credit side of his capital account to the extent of debit balance of capital account. Okay. But if any partner's capital account is showing debit balance after all adjustment, मतलब कैपिटल अकाउंट हमने प्रिपेयर किया, सो प्रिपेयर करने के बाद किसी एक पार्टनर का अकाउंट बैलेंस, लास्ट टू बैलेंस कैरीड ऑन वी राइट नो, देयर इट इज कमिंग डेबिट बैलेंस, मीन्स the partners capital account nature, so usually when we prepare credit side, credit side means favorable side, debit side is what? Suppose I invested 50,000, yes I can show 50,000 here, so I have 50,000 in my account. No other items I am not telling. No other items are there. Assume. Okay. So 50,000 is there. Credit side. So this 50,000 I'll be getting when after payment of outside liability, after any partner's loan वो सब कुछ देने के बाद बाकी है तो उसमें से 50,000 मुझे मिलेगा. Okay. Now if it is showing debit balance, okay, debit balance means the capital account, capital account, the partner's capital account, debit side the balance is coming. That means the partner is not having any money or account balance in his account. Okay, just like हमारा overdraft balance, बैंक में overdraft bank balance, debit balance होता है ना, जैसे. Okay, so this time the partner, suppose A is the partner, A's loan also there 10,000, but A's debit balance is there 50,000. So how to treat with that? So that situation one by one we'll discuss. Okay, so through question we'll discuss, we'll understand. Example 1, loan from Manoj, a partner, is rupees 1 lakh. Okay, capital account credit balance 40,000. So here loan, okay, we can understand, but this is the thing you have to take care. Credit balance means what? Favorable balance. He has an account balance of 40,000 in his account. So how we will pay the loan? Loan will be paid through separate account. Managed loan account we prepare. Then what we write to bank we write. This only we discussed in the previous class journal entries. Other cases we didn't discuss there. Okay. So if credit balance of a partner means no problem. Means all capital accounts are appearing on the liability side of balance sheet. Balance sheet, if all capital accounts, suppose A, B, C are there. So A, B, C, all partners capital accounts are appearing on the debit side, then we will, sorry, liability side, then what we say, this is credit balance only. So no problem. They have a balance in their account. Okay. Now the loan will be paid through separate account, that is full amount of loan will be paid to that partner. Okay. Now next, loan from Manoj, a partner, is rupees 1 lakh. Loan from the partner is how much? 1 lakh. Capital account shows debit balance of 70,000. Now capital balance, debit balance आ गया. So debit balance means what? The partner is having shortage of money in his account for rupees 70,000, means the partner has to give to the firm. अभी देखो, firm has to give to the partner how much? 1 lakh. Firm partner को देना है 1 lakh, but partner firm को देना है 70,000. Understood? Firm has to give to the partner 1 lakh. Partner has to give to the firm 70,000. So what we will do? This 70,000 we will not pay. Instead what we'll do? We'll pay only 30,000 because 70,000 he has to give to us. So the difference only we will pay. If the partner's capital account is showing a debit balance, but that debit balance is less than the loan amount, that also you see. Here the debit balance of capital account is 70,000, loan is 1 lakh. That means the debit balance is less than the loan amount. So he has to pay to firm 70,000, but firm has to pay him 1 lakh. So what we will pay? The extra how much needed? 30,000 we can pay. So that's why entry will come Manoj's loan account debtor 1 lakh to Manoj's capital. Means उसका capital से हम लेते हैं, we are taking it, and remaining amount we are paying. How much? 30,000 we are paying to Manoj. Okay. Now another case, loan from Manoj, same again. Loan from Manoj, how much? 1 lakh, and the capital account debit balance 1 lakh 25,000. अभी इसमें देखो debit balance is more than the loan amount. Loan is 1 lakh, but his debit balance is 1,25,000. That means what? Firm has to pay to Manoj, the partner, how much? 1 lakh. But he has to give us how much? Partner has to pay to the firm how much? 1,25,000. So what we will do? We will ask extra 25,000 from him. That will be adjusted. So उसके लिए journal entry how will pass? Manoj's loan 1 lakh. That will be debited always. The extra amount he has to bring. That means bank will be debited. Means money is coming into the business. So bank account debtor 25,000. Then Manoj's capital account 1,25,000. So these three cases you remember. Okay. So whenever there is a credit balance, that time only we prepare separate loan account and will pay to the partner. Okay. Otherwise also separate loan account will be prepared, but it should be charged from his capital account, and afterwards the remaining amount only will be paying to him if we have to pay, if his loan is more than the capital. If his loan is less than the capital amount, then he has to bring additional amount to the firm. Okay. Okay. Now one question we'll discuss. This one a question. So this question and all, there will be some assets and liabilities, then what reserves or something will be there, provisions, then capital. Okay. So here items one by one. Bank is there, debtors, stock, furniture, land and building. G is capital. See here, this G, D, G, T are the partners. Three partners are there, D, G, T. So here you see, G's capital is showing which balance? Asset means what? Debit. All asset got debit balance. So this G's capital is showing what balance? Debit balance. Debit balance means shortage. Okay. 20,000 shortage in his account. So, but D and T having credit balance. So no problem. But either they go G's loan also there. That's why we are discussing this problem. Okay. D's capital is G's capital. मतलब firm A partner G वाला firm को कितना देना है? 20,000 देना है. But firm G को कितना देना है? Only 8,000. अभी हम क्या बोलेंगे इसको? आप 12,000 लेके आना. हमारा 8,000 आपको देना है, वो आप ले लो. Remaining amount 12,000 you bring. Okay. So the third case will come. What we discussed the last, that will be coming. Okay. Now first what to do? All assets we have to transfer. Where? To the realization account, which can be converted into cash. So this debtors, stock, furniture, land and building. Capital account don't take. So all these items as it is the same amount you have to transfer to the realization account. Okay. And then what? Liabilities also. These items will be transferred where? To the debit side of realization account. These items, creditors, outside liabilities, creditors, bills payable, G's loan. G is outsider? No. G is a partner. So don't take G's loan. R's loan. R is a partner or not? No. R is not a partner. So R is an outsider. So uska loan. So all these three items, what we have to do? We have to transfer to the realization account. WCR, what we studied is adjustment we have to see. If no adjustment, we can share it in the capital account. Okay, remember WCR in dissolution. If no claim in the adjustment, so we can divide it in the capital account. But if claim is there, then the treatment will change. Okay, so that according to treatment we have to do. So all these liabilities will go where? To the credit side of realization account. Okay, now we'll see the answer. Okay, उसके पहले adjustment also given in the question. So the firm was dissolved on the above date and the following terms. Debtors we realized 28,000, means our debtors who has to pay money to us, they came and given how much? 28,000. But what was the real debtors? 30,000. कितना मिला? 28,000. So automatically the loss or profit will be adjusted in the account. So don't take decrease, increase and all. Whatever realized amount, that only you write in the realization account. Okay. Then creditors and bills payable were paid at a discount of 10%. So creditors and bills payable money we paid at a discount of 10%. So creditors say 10% minus karna hai. Then bills payable also you minus 10%. Okay. Then stock was taken over by T for rupees 15,000. So stock didn't sell. It was taken over by a partner. T ने लेके गया. So I told you, if you sell, what we write? Bank, by bank. But if a partner take, what we have to write? Partner's capital account. Okay. Then furniture was sold to N. Furniture sold to N means that also partner लेके गया. So partner has taken it. So N's capital will come. So whenever the item, assets or liabilities are taken or agreed to pay by a partner, then it is that partner's capital account you have to credit or debit. Understood? If it is asset, you can write by T's capital, by N's capital, because assets are taken away. If liability is taken away, it will come on debit side too. It is payment, equal to payment. Okay. The land and building sold for 2,80,000. So this is pure sale. So what will come? By bank you have to write. Okay. Whenever we sell asset, by bank, credit side. Then R's loan was paid by a check for the same amount. So R's loan, R is who? R is a creditor. So R's loan also paid, same amount paid, no discount, nothing. Okay. Then there was unrecorded asset of 1,50,000 which was sold for 1 lakh. So unrecorded asset means assets which are not recorded in the balance sheet. Okay. Sometimes what happened, they when they sell the business, that time only they come to know some assets are there, but it is not there in the balance sheet. But we will not leave it, no. Balance sheet में नहीं है करके उसको छोड़ नहीं सकते हैं. हम क्या करेंगे, उसको भी सेल करके उससे क्या मिलेगा वो यूज कर सकते हैं. सो ऐसे एक एसेट था, उसको हम, उसका वैल्यू 1,50,000, बट उसका सेल किया कितने को? 1 लाख रुपये को सेल किया है. सो व्हेन, सो दैट आल्सो मनी वी आर गेटिंग. सो व्हाट वी राइट? बाय बैंक 1 lakh will come. Okay. Now compensation to workmen paid by the firm amounted to rupees 20,000. So what is the amount of WCR? WCR, see here in the question, it is 20,000. Okay. So how much compensation paid? Compensation paid is 20,000. Sorry, here one mistake is there. WCR is 26,000. Okay, correct it. It is 26,000. Once again I'll write. This is, wait a minute. Yeah, this one, no, 26,000 is the amount. Okay, correct it in the question. 26,000 is the WCR, but how much we paid? We paid, WCR paid, no, not paid, WCR claim is 20,000. Okay, this is correct. So what to do? This, how much claim, that will go to the realization credit side. How much claim is there? 20,000, that will go to the credit side WCR. By WCR we write how much? 20,000. Means from 20,000 we removed how much? 20,000. Okay. Debit side also it will go payment to bank. So payment. Claim means what? Some worker is asking money from the firm. So 20,000 we are ready to pay. So that is why we removed 20,000 from the reserve and put it in the credit side. And we paid that also. So to bank we write, and we write what? 20,000. So credit side 20,000, debit side also same amount we pay, and the remaining 6,000 it will be distributed in the capital account. Understood? So WCR you remember properly. WCR, if no claim, the full amount, how much, 26,000 will be distributed in the capital account if no claim. But in this question claim is there. So when claim is there, what you have to do? How much claim is there, that you transfer on the credit side. The same amount you pay on the debit side, because we have to pay now. Then the remaining amount you can distribute. Okay. Chalo. Now we'll see the answer. Answer, actually this heading you put, what this is, realization account. Here space is not there, kindly you write. Okay, this is realization account. I forgot to write, sorry, you write. Now what we have to do, first what to do, all assets we have to transfer. So we transferred all assets. See here, transfer of assets, to debtors, to stock, to furniture, to land and building. This is as it is from the balance sheet I transferred. Okay. Next what to do, let's transfer all liabilities from the balance sheet, but only outside liabilities. Remember, 50,000, 10,000, 12,000. This is Ars loan, bills payable. These three items belongs to outsiders. Asset rule is what? Only those assets which can be converted into cash. Fictitious asset don't transfer. Advertisement suspense, P&L account, asset side, and any capital account, that and all you don't transfer. Okay. Goodwill as usual you can transfer. Then now debtors assets we transferred here. Now assets sale will be on the debit side. This is what I told you, cross. Okay. Asset we transfer on the debit side, but asset sale will be on the credit side. Liability we transferred where credit side, but liability or liability payment will be on the debit side. So once you transferred the assets and liabilities, next step is the realization of assets and payment of liabilities. We will sell our assets, from that money we pay all the liabilities. Okay. Now we'll see. So first step over. First step what? Assets transferred, liability transferred. Second step is, we'll see in the adjustment. Now debtors sold for, debtors 30,000 is there. Now that debtors sold for how much? 28,000. You don't write 2,000 and all. Now you see 30,000 on the debit side, 28,000 on the credit side. So automatically that loss will come in this account. Okay. So we will not write each and every account separately. ऑटोमेटिकली उसका डिफरेंस इसके ये अकाउंट में आ जाएगा. इसलिए हम पहले क्या करते हैं, असेट को ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं एक साइड में, फिर उसके बाद उसका रियलाइज्ड अमाउंट दैट वी ट्रांसफर टू द क्रेडिट साइड. सो अपने आप ही एडजस्ट हो जाता है. समझ में आया? ओके. सो 28,000 वी आर राइटिंग. नाउ स्टॉक के बारे में बाद में आता है. अभी फर्नीचर सेल हुआ 12,000 के लिए. सो व्हाट वी पुट? Furniture. So it is not buy debtors buy furniture. Buy is what only? Bank only. Don't misunderstand. If you write buy debtors buy furniture buy land and building, it will be wrong. The entry is bank account debtor to realization. That only the journal entry. Okay, don't forget that. But what are the items? To understand that, bank के नीचे लिख सकता है. You can write below the bank. Okay. If you are not writing these also, no problem, you can total it in working note and directly you can bring the amount here, total amount. Okay. So, but don't write buy debtors buy furniture buy land and building. You have to write buy for bank only, because now we sold the assets. So asset name will not come, asset is converted into cash, so only bank you have to write. Now all transaction through bank, that's why we are writing bank. Okay. So the assets sold for rupees how much? 3,20,000. Okay. Now liabilities payment. So liabilities, creditors 50,000 is there. So creditors they said 10% discount, at 10% discount we paid. So 50,000 ka 10% how much? 5,000. So 5,000 discount means 50,000 minus 5,000. So how much we paid? 45,000 creditors we paid. So what you have to write? To bank. Here also it is not two creditors, two bills payable, two hours loan. Then it will be wrong. So two parties bank only. So what is the journal entry? Realization account debtor. This account is what? Realization account. So heading here either. So realization account debtor to bank. This one bank account debtor to realization. This you have to say first. That and all you know. Okay. Now creditors paid. Now bills payable also 10% discount. So bills payable how much was there? 10,000. But 10% kitna 1,000. So 10,000 minus 1,000, 9,000 we paid. Okay. So ours loan paid the same amount they said. So 12,000 is the ours loan. Total 12,000 we paid. So outside liabilities all we paid. Total outside liability is 66,000 we paid. समझ में आया? 3,20,000 हमको मिला है असेट सेल करके, उसमें से हम 60,000 बाहर वालों को पेमेंट कर दिया. Okay. Now WCR. WCR already we have reserve in the balance sheet. So no need to touch this amount. Okay. Already we saved how much? 26,000 and kept. You can see in the question. 26,000 is there. But claim is how much only? 20,000 only. So that same claim, how much claim comes that you transfer on the credit side, then you pay that claim on the debit side. समझ में आया? So to bank. So claim on WCR. This is to bank. देखो transfer, asset transfer, liability transfer के बाद only to bank, this only will be coming. Only reserve and all we write in that name, but realization and payment, that will come bank only. If any partner pay any liability, then instead of bank you have to write that partner's capital account. So either bank or partner's capital account, this only can be there. Now here we read in the adjustment, stock was taken over by whom? Stock was taken over by T. So what do you have to write? T is capital, by T is capital. So understood no the difference? If we sell the stock, then we have to write by bank. But if any partner has taken the asset, you have to write uska capital account. So by T is capital account, how much stock he was taken for? 15,000 is this there. Okay. Now here one difference is there. Furniture was sold to N for rupees 12,000. Taken away by the partner and sold to a partner, that is difference is there. Sold to a partner means that is equal to sale only. So by bank, under by bank only you have to write that. That's why furniture came here. Okay, so don't write N's capital. Furniture sold to N. So sold to N means it is equal to sale. So don't take it as N's capital account. But taken away by the partner means what? He is not giving any money to the firm. That is the meaning. Okay. Now suppose one refrigerator is there in the office. So I am a partner. I am telling that refrigerator I am taking. So of course what they will do? From my capital account they will deduct it, the value of that washing machine or refrigerator something I have taken. Understood? So that is the meaning. Okay. वो भी याद रखो. Partner sold to partner is bank, but taken away by the partner, that partner's capital account you have to write. Okay. Now one more item is there, last one, fifth one. Unrecorded asset 1,50,000. So one unrecorded asset I told you. Unrecorded asset means that item is not in the balance sheet. Asset only. But that also we sold and we got 1 lakh. So sold and got money means what you have to write? By bank only. Okay. So you can write by bank again. Sorry. Here by bank how much will write? 1 lakh. Okay. You can see here this is 1 lakh. Okay. Now it's almost credit side items over. Okay, so credit side items, now claim also over. All items I told, I think. So once again, if you analyze, you can understand these are the same asset from balance sheet question paper. Question as it is, you have to write. A bhi aata nahi to then it is very difficult. Okay, so understand properly. The same thing from question we have to write here. Here also same way. Transfer, this is called what? Transfer or closing of asset. This is transfer of liabilities. Okay, transfer of liabilities, this is transfer. But this is reserve transfer. Reserve treatment अलग है, especially WCR. प्रोविजन है तो प्रोविजन हम इधर लिखेंगे. प्रोविजन फॉर डिप्रिसिएशन वी राइट हियर. प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स वी राइट हियर directly. Understood? But WCR treatment only different. WCR, how much claim is there, that you have to write. Okay, reserve part over. Now these assets we sold in the market, that is why three items we sold. So buy bank, and this item also we sold, unrecorded asset, that is why buy bank. Understood? So whenever we sell, we have to write buy bank. If the partner has taken away any asset, then we have to write by T's capital account. Means इसमें T है. So instead of bank, you have to write T's capital account. Okay. Same way, we are making payment of liabilities. That will be on the debit side. So you can remember very easily. Asset we are transferring where? Debit side. So asset ka sale where? Where it will come on the credit side. Liability we are transferring where? On the credit side. So liabilities payment will be on the debit side. Otherwise also, debit all expenses and losses. All expense we have to write on the debit side. All income, money is coming into the business, that you have to write on the credit side. Okay. Now creditors money we paid, bills payable paid, ours loan paid. 66,000 we paid. Now WCR also we paid. Okay. Now what to do? As usual, you have to total it. Total 5,27,000. This side also 5,27,000. You can see here. Now the answer will come 1,31,000. Okay. Difference. Now profit is coming. That means whatever we have in our hand, money, that is more than the payment. Okay. Now this profit will be transferred to capital account of the partner. So here ratio is not given, so you can take it as equal ratio. So 1,31,000 divided by 3 partners, so you will get 43,667. 43, this is not 3, AB 6, 667, 667. So all will get equal amount because all are equal partners. Ratio is not given in the question. समझ में आया? This is called what? Realization account. Now we'll go to one. G is there. Who is G? G is the partner. But that partner, already I told you, remember, I think, you see here, you can understand. Okay. G's loan account 8,000. G's capital account 20,000. Okay. Now we prepare the loan account. How we prepare, we'll see. Okay. So we'll move there. G's loan account. How much is the loan account? So loan account, credit balance. So all credit balance items you have to start from where? Credit side. Okay. So by balance brought down, how much is this loan? 8,000. How much we pay? That 8,000. Yeah, 8,000 will pay. Okay. So remaining amount 8,000 only will pay. Remaining amount he has to bring. Understand? So his loan is 1 minute. Okay, so here G's loan 8,000 and G's capital 20,000. So this capital you don't compare G's loan and this capital. This capital will change now because when you prepare capital account, this capital account balance will change. He may get credit balance in that capital account. So we don't know. Again, the capital account after adjustment only we have to take. Okay, so that's what I was checking. So here what to do? Yes, usually prepare the capital account. Okay, so capital account, after the capital account I will tell the loan account, then it will be clear. Okay, now capital account you know how to prepare by balance brought down, you know, D credit side balance, T also credit side, but G's balance where on the asset side, that's why we have to put on the debit side. Okay, now WCR you know, remember 26,000 is the WCR. From that 20,000 claim was there. 20,000 claim was there. So the remaining amount 6,000, what we have to do? 6,000 we have to transfer to the capital account of the partners. Okay, so remaining 6,000 we can transfer to the partners capital account. So equal partners, so 2,000 6,000 by 3. Now realization, this is from where? From the realization account profit what we distributed, that is also equal for everyone. 43,667, 43,667, 43,667. Now we put all those items which the partners are getting from the firm. Okay, their capital they are getting, and the WCR balance they are getting, realization profit they are getting. If realization loss, then it will come on the debit side. Okay, now this D's balance we put on the debit side because G's balance shown on the capital account shows debit balance asset side. Now realization, one entry we wrote there, what? By T's capital. Okay, stock taken over by T. So what we have written in realization? By T's capital. So what is the journal entry? T's capital account debtor to realization. So here in T's capital account, what will come? To realization. So T's capital account debtor to realization. Okay, for stock taken. How much stock T has taken? 15,000. Understood? So when a partner has taken any asset, we are minusing it from his account. Okay, means that much asset he has taken from the firm. No, so that value we have to deduct from his capital. Now that much only. Now what to do? D's total is this much, G is this much, T is this much. Now bring this here. So minus. So now how much each partners are getting? The D is getting 1,45,667 from the firm. D has to get. Okay. G देखो, they started with a debit balance, but now he is getting an amount of 25,667 after doing all adjustment. Now his debit balance problem solved. Okay, means now he will be getting amount from the business. पहले क्या था? He has to give to the firm 20,000. Now the situation changed because he also got some amount from WCR and realization. Now he will be getting 25,667 from the firm. That means his loan amount also we have to pay, his capital also we have to pay. Now T's capital account also same. So all the partners balance is coming on the debit side. Debit side means credit balance. Okay, उसको देना है. So what is the T's capital account debtor to bank? Okay, so they will be getting, means credit side is more, so they are getting the amount from the firm. Now you come to the, now what is the thing here is regarding loan account. Now the partner is getting amount from the firm capital account, no shortage in his account after preparation of capital account. So what we have to do? The full amount of loan as usual you have to transfer to the credit side, then payment on the debit side, loan also paid. Okay, so this is the loan account. Now Last account what we have to prepare? Bank account. Okay, so when you prepare bank account, you can just check like this. It is easy to check like this. They go wherever bank is there, these postings will go to bank. So bank to realization, this also bank to realization. So in bank what will come? To realization. So in bank account what you can write? To realization. How much? 3 lakh 20 you write. This also by bank. So what will come? To in bank account what will come? To realization. How much amount is there? Unrecorded asset is 1 lakh. 1 lakh will go. Okay. So here also see where bank is there in realization, debit side bank is there. So what is entry? Realization to bank. So in bank how posting will come? By realization. How much? Total only write. You no need to write separately. 66,000. Again where bank is there? Here debit side bank is there. So realization to bank. So in bank what will come? By realization 20,000. Easy, no? Okay, now in realization account, all bank we have taken to the bank account. Okay, postings done. Now you check in the next account. In the loan account also, what is there? Bank is there, 8,000. So this also 8,000. They go bank. So wherever bank is there in the all previous three accounts, that all bank you have to remove. And journal entry we have to post. So what is the entry here? G's loan account debtor to bank. So in bank what we write? By G's loan account, where we write in the bank account 8,000. Okay, so loan account also over. Now you check in the capital account. Capital account where bank is there? Capital account only last balance we will come bank. See here, this is bank in the capital account. So what is the entry? D's capital account debtor, G's capital account debtor, T's capital account debtor to bank. Clear? So D is capital debtor, G is capital account debtor, T is capital account debtor to bank. Okay. So in bank what posting will come? By D is capital, by G is capital, by T is capital. Like this posting will come. Now all three accounts we found wherever what bank is there. Okay. Now one more thing, remember you have to start the bank account with the balance sheet. Question bank or cash will be there, you have to start with that. Okay, so we'll check in the question what is the bank account balance. Bank is given first, you have to start with this balance. This is our opening balance, so 26,000. Where to put? On the debit side. If it is bank overdraft, you have to put on the credit side. Okay, bank account cash book we studied, no? Same rule. Receipts on the debit side, payments on the credit side. All receipts will come on the debit side. Okay, now we'll move it to the bank account. So bank account to balance brought down. First opening balance from the balance sheet 26,000. Then I told you, no, assets sold, so to realization. Unrecorded assets sold to realization. Liability paid by realization. WCR paid, claim paid by realization. Loan paid, so by G's loan. समझ में आया? So other than this loan, no, all comes how? By realization. By realization means whatever you are taking from realization account, it will come by realization to realization. Now loan capital account of the partners also paid. Okay, so 1,45,667. G will get 25,667. T will get 1,80,667. So what is the meaning? After payment of outsiders, after payment of G's loan, then now the owners or the partners, they are getting how much? This much amount from the firm. Okay, so now happily they can dissolve and go because they are getting at least some amount. समझ में आया? Or if it is not enough, then they have to bring from their personal property. Now you totally both side will tally 4,46,000, 4,46,000. Okay, so this way you approach all the question and understand it clearly. So any doubt, you have to solve more question, because each question adjustment, different adjustment will come, but basic things are same. Okay, so understand it properly. If any doubt, please contact me and you can freely ask your doubt. Okay, so this much only. Thank you so much. I think it is a little bit lengthy class, but no problem. Okay, so you can understand it clearly. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, take care.